Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to apply in a tutoring website. So just simply go to Google and then search google.com. And then once you already search for google.com, just simply click and search Course Hero Tutor. And then after you search Course Hero Tutor, kindly click this become an online tutor and earn money. So once you already click that, this is what happened. So you will be prompted to the home page. So base here, as an online tutor, you can make up to $1,500 per month. So as a top tutor. And aside from that, there are lots of benefits that a course hero tutor can have. Yes, you will be earning an extra money, and aside from that, it's work from home because it's you can work anytime. You just need computer and internet connection. No need for video. You just simply answer the question of the student. Now, since you are already interested, this is the way on how to apply. So first, you need to create your Course Hero Tutor account. Make sure you have valid email to use upon creating your Course Hero Tutor account. And then you need to input your basic information, your name, surname, cell phone number, country, and your expertise. Also, make sure that your expertise will appear as well to your documents. So, by the way, your expertise or your chosen subjects, there are exam that you need to pass to prove that you are really expert of that subject. And once you approve and pass that exam, the next step is you are going to upload your ID and academic credentials. So make sure it's valid, and better if you have your TOR or transcript of record, especially when you already graduate your bachelor's degree. And then after that, kindly wait for the confirmation email, and then wait for about 7 days to get approved and start tutoring. So these are some of the answer of these top subjects. So that's it.